Are you ready to transform your mornings into a powerhouse of productivity? Start your day right with energizing breakfast foods that fuel both body and mind. First, consider oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and nuts. This whole grain provides lasting energy and fiber that keeps you full longer. Next, try a smoothie made with spinach, banana, and almond milk. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, while bananas offer quick energy and potassium. If you prefer something savory, scrambled eggs with veggies can be a great choice. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, which helps with muscle repair and keeps you energized. Don't forget about Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and probiotics, perfect for digestion. Add some honey and berries for a delicious twist. Another excellent option is whole grain toast with avocado. This combination provides healthy fats and fiber, giving you sustained energy throughout the morning. Lastly, drink plenty of water or consider herbal teas to stay hydrated. These simple yet effective meals can help boost your mood and improve your focus, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. Make these changes today and feel the difference.